very steamy day in Bangkok, Thailand. I woke up several hours ago and had coffee and just relaxed this morning and didn't really go out until right now. And this is crazy. My cousin is living in Bangkok, Thailand, and I did not know that. I mean, I know she lived in Bangkok, but I thought she moved back to Vietnam and was staying there for a good amount of time. But she told me she's in Bangkok, so I haven't seen my cousin in a few years, so this is crazy to like, I'm feeling all the emotions right now. I get to see family members. This is why this part of the world is so special to me. If you didn't know, I don't have much family back home besides my mom and dad and my grandpa, but everybody here is in Southeast Asia, and I've always come back because, you know, family means everything. And to see her today, oh man, it's been too long, so I'm pretty excited. Alright, so we're about to get on the motorcycle. Here we go. So it's my cousin right there. Oh, and the baby. It's so cute. Hello. Wow. Có biết tiếng Việt không? Really? Oh wow. Hello. Hi. This is the first time meeting my niece. Tên gì? Quên rồi, tên gì? Năm Bảy hả? Việt Nam tên gì?
Tên Việt Nam tên Bảy luôn.
Bảy hả? Oh, so cute. It's so adorable. Hello. So adorable. Look at those eyes. So I guess I'll start talking right behind this background of Bangkok, Thailand. So anyways, I'm at my cousin's house right now, and she lives in Bangkok, Thailand, and I know that, but I thought like she moved back to Vietnam because I've been seeing her pictures on Facebook, and I thought she was back in Vietnam for like for a few months now, so I didn't know that she's was back and forth to Thailand, because you know, with life it's hard to really keep up with each other. So but it's nice seeing her. It was an unexpected moment today. I was texting her and asking her, where should I go today, and any suggestions, how much should I negotiate to lower my taxi rate and everything, and then she's like, oh, why don't you come visit me? I'm like, wait, you're in Thailand? Definitely a great day in Thailand. This is just so unexpected, and that's why like I moved to Southeast Asia. I felt like I was closer to my family, and it's nice. They're several hours away, not like 15 hours, 18 hours away, so it gives me a chance to really visit them and, you know, catch up with them, because I feel like as I grow up, I don't want any missed opportunities in life, and I want to be close to family and experience it as much as I can, and you know, just get to know them better, because I lived in the US all my life, and it would be a shame not to get to know family from the other side of the world. But I've been so fortunate enough to come back here and have the opportunity to travel and see them. It's just really a fulfilling experience. But man, like I said, Southeast Asia is just so magical, and this today, not knowing that I was going to visit some family, was definitely magical. That is Southeast Asia in a nutshell for you guys. Beautiful view. Nothing like it. Bye.
Em lấy chị cái tôm yum nữa nha. Bye bye. Bye đi.
Chụp hình đẹp.
Đưa cậu chụp hình đẹp này. Cho mẹ chụp hình này.
today is my second full day in Bangkok, Thailand. Yesterday I was supposed to meet some friends, but you know, they were doing their own thing, and I found out that my cousin was in Bangkok, so the plans were totally changed, and it was a crazy day yesterday, but a lot of great moments and memories that I will withhold during this trip. Today I'm going to be temple hopping. The others are sleeping still, so I'm probably going to meet them up later. I'm going to check out the Golden Mountain Temple right now, so let's head there. So I asked for 2 taxis already, and what's interesting in Thailand, a lot of times you ask to go to one place and they simply just say no. I don't know why. Maybe this is out of the way, but it's totally different in America. If you get picked up by a taxi, they'll take you anywhere. Do you have change? Okay, so right now I'm at the Golden Mountain Temple in Bangkok, Thailand, and this place is just so beautiful. There's a lot of greenery, a lot of temples, and everything is just plastered in gold, and oh man, I cannot wait to check it out. So this right here, it's called Golden Leaf, and basically for 40 baht you can buy one of these and, you know, leave a nice message. So right behind me, what you are looking at is a Buddhist relic, and I just paid 20 bucks right here to get some incense. And basically, I went up to it and I made it, you know, just a prayer for all my friends and family. That's why you guys see me go to a lot of temples, because I go and I just make these wishes for health, prosperity, and happiness, and success. Because it's really important to me that, you know, I ensure that all my friends and my family are doing well and they're healthy and they're happy and you know, they have success in their life. And so that's why I come here to, you know, pray and to really send a lot of good thoughts experience and witness that. It always means a lot to me, and I'm so glad I went to this temple. It is truly magnificent scenery. And everything is just so beautiful. It's like you see so much gold. There's so much detail going on in this place, and it's so magical. In order to get to the top, you have to go up the pathway, and basically it just weaves through like a forest. And as you're walking through, you can see a lot of graves and just mini cemeteries, and it's just really spooky for a little bit. But once you get up to the top, it's truly a remarkable experience, and just that magnificent view of Bangkok. You can see all the different temples, and what's crazy is most of the temples here, they're like in gold, so they just really stick out. And the walk up there doesn't take too long. I think it's about 10 minutes long, and you know, it's not really steep, so it's really easy walk. But just be prepared, drink a lot of water, because it's really hot, and if you stay out the sun too long, you kind of get sunburned. But it was just a beautiful scenery up top. To Sukhumvit?
Sukhumvit Soi number 1. Okay. 300 baht.
300? Oh, I came there for 220.
That's 250 baht.
220. I came here I paid 220 to come here. Thank you. So if you guys are ever in Thailand, they offer your price, always try to bargain down. Just jogging through Bangkok. This should have happened. Oh, what's wrong? Brenda and me are in Bangkok, Thailand, along with her wonderful friends. Everybody.